Hey, what's up guys? Griddle Richie here today, coming at you from the Quarantine Bar and Grill. And today I'm gonna be making some tortas. Not just any tortas, but some bacon tortas. What's a bacon torta? It's a fancy way of just saying a BLT sandwich, but you add a couple little extra ingredients. So stay tuned, find out how to make this. So obviously the first thing you want to do is throw down your bacon. Look at that griddle top, just full of deliciousness. All right guys, so after you make that delicious bacon on the Blackstone Griddle or whatever griddle top you're using, the next part is gonna be mozzarella. By the way, how many of you guys are bacon stealers? And what I mean by that is you start eating the bacon as you make it. I know I am. Anyway, so I'm gonna throw some mozzarella cheese on the griddle, and then we're gonna throw the bun right on top of that. So we melt the cheese directly on the griddle. I'll show you guys what I mean. So this is what I mean by melting the cheese directly on the Blackstone. So you're gonna put the cheese directly on there, then you're gonna get your hoagie bread or whatever kind of bread you wanna use and put it directly on top like that. And that way when you scoop it, it comes out right on top of that. Let me do the rest with these. All right, so after that cheese is melted down, grab your spatula, flip it over so it looks like that, put it onto your plate. We already got some going there. And then we're gonna go inside and finish making this. See you guys inside. All right, so here's some of the stuff I'm gonna put on it. Some tomatoes, some onion, some mayo, and some guacamole, and whoop, some shredded lettuce as well. Let's get to it. All right, so put your mayo on there. Next, put your bacon on there. After the bacon, put some tomatoes on it. After the tomato, put onion, optional of course. After the shredded lettuce, top it with some avocados. Lastly, I'm gonna top it with some mild cheddar cheese, and then I'm gonna go put it back on the Blackstone Griddle, let it melt down a little bit, and you are all done. Okay, put the sandwiches back on the griddle. I actually had the lid closed to help that cheese melt. Look at this. Let's get those inside and give these a try. Oh man, I can't wait to try this. Okay guys, there you have it. Bacon tortas, or like I said, a fancy way of just saying a BLT. Look at this thing. And as my man, Todd Tobin says, let's give it a try. If you guys aren't following him, I suggest following him and everybody else on the Blackstone page. I'm gonna give this a try off camera. Hope you enjoyed this video, everyone.